I'm Miss Coolbeth, and I am a new teacher to Plant this year. I am really excited to be here. I'm coming to you from just outside of Asheville, North Carolina, and I will be teaching Honors English 1 and Advanced Honors English 2 in room 211 this year. I really look forward to meeting all of you. We have two very exciting curriculums this year. Honors English 1 will be studying under the broad theme, Coming of Age, and Advanced Honors English 2 will be exploring various cultures. For my class, you will need pencils, colored pencils and glue sticks, various colored highlighters, index cards, one 4-subject notebook with pockets, and of course you need smiles, excitement, positive attitudes, and a willingness to learn. These are the most important. The expectations for my classroom are about putting in your best effort and treating everyone with respect. By putting in your best effort, of course, you have to be prepared by bringing materials and completing assignments in a timely fashion and to the best of your ability. All students will need to follow general classroom procedures, including procedures for cell phones, group work, when to talk, and when to listen. And again, everyone in my classroom and in Plant High School will be treated with respect. As I have said, I am super excited to be teaching English at Plant this year. Reading and writing, the study of literature are my passions. To me, the study of literature, fiction, nonfiction, and poetry is not just the study of words, themes, character development, it's the study of life and of all of its beauty and challenges. The process of writing enables us to better and fully express what is in our hearts and minds. All of us want a voice, and writing helps us to strengthen that voice. I am very much looking forward to the start of this school year and guiding my students through this study of literature and writing to help them understand more about life and about themselves.